Hi, friends. Welcome back. It is Friday, and I hope that you have enjoyed learning about birds this week. We've learned all about their life cycle. We even got to see a video of baby ducks coming out and hatching from their shells from the Mooney Bullock family. That was pretty cool, and I think there are more videos to come, so keep your eyes open. So today I wanted to make two different crafts with you. And one is something that you can use when you're observing your birds outside in your backyard or if you go on hikes. And the other craft that we are going to do is a bird. And this bird is going to be something that you can actually use to fly through the air. And it will remind you that birds have feathers and they have wings and they fly. So what you will need for this craft is your paper that looks like this. It's in your material folder. You will need your crayons or your colored pencils, your scissors, and I believe that's it. All right, if you would like to let your bird balance on your finger, then your parents can help you to follow the rest of the directions. But we are just going to do the part where we cut our bird out and we are able to make him fly through the air. So please get out your materials and unpause the video when you are ready. All right, so please take your crayons or your colored pencils and color your bird. You can make your bird any kind of bird that you would like. I made mine similar to this parakeet. And this parakeet has green and yellow feathers with some black highlights and a yellow head. So I looked at that bird and I made it very similar when I did my coloring. Once you are finished coloring, please get your scissors. So if you need some time, press pause on your video and come back when you're ready. All right, once your bird is colored, you are going to very carefully cut it out on the black line. Remember when you're cutting that your cutting hand allows your scissors to open and close, and your helper hand turns the paper for you. I'm going to come to the end of that line and turn my paper. Turn the paper. My cutting hand is staying in the same place. Oh, I'm at the end of that line, so I'm going to stop cutting, turn my paper, carefully cut around his beak. Turn the paper. Turn. Okay. Once you are finished with this, then you need to cut out the tail feather. Around the outside. Now, with this bird, you'll notice that it has two heads. Well, we want it to have one head. Now, birds are symmetric. That means they're the same on one side as the other. So you're going to take your bird and make these wings touch each other. Before you fold it, make sure that the wings are touching each other on the ends and the beaks are touching each other. And Then take your finger and press your bird down. All right. Once that is completed, take your wings and bend them up like so. Like so. And then to keep that together, we're going to put some glue on the inside. Just in that crease. And press. And there is my parakeet. Now, if you kind of bend the wing a little bit, like that, but don't crease it, it will look more like it's flying. There. Now we have a flying bird, but he is missing his tail feather. So right in the center, where that black line is, I want you to make one cut. And your tail feather fits right inside there. And then you can practice flying your bird through the air. And there he is. You can now name all of his parts also. These are his wings, and they are used to fly. He's covered with feathers. This is his tail feather. It helps him to balance. And his head, and his eye, and his beak or his bill. This bird looks like it probably eats seeds, maybe some small insects or nuts. His belly or his breast and his back. Compare this bird to your bird that you drew yesterday and labeled. Enjoy your bird. You do not need to return this to school. This is just for you. Maybe you can give him a name and make him a home. All right, enjoy your weekend, friends. And don't forget to tune into the next video for our other craft. Thank you.